this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I'm here to share some projects that I made with my January 2021 Club La La Lands kits. I think this kit and the B one are probably my favorite ones that that I've seen or that they've done. This one is just really, really cute, and the dies are really great. And so I did buy, if you guys remember, I had done a haul of a bunch of Miss Ink Alice in Wonderland stuff, which I am going to be pulling out and using, and I'm going to see how I can kind of combine those two companies' Alice in Wonderland stuff to kind of make some projects. But let me share with you what I made. So I also used this Wonderland paper pad, which is from CC Designs. These color combos are kind of odd, so I haven't figured out how to use that kind of color combo yet. I'm kind of working on that. But let me show you what I made. I did make all cards this time. I usually like to do, you know, a tag or something like that, because I do like making tags. They're really fun. But I ended up just making all cards. So this card, and what I did was I cut and colored a bunch of images, and then I went ahead and put them onto cards. So this is the Alice in Wonderland paper, and I'm using the little card dies to do this. And so that's the first card. And this card right here, I also used, I was wondering where I used this, which is a pop-up hillside die, which I haven't actually really used before, and I haven't really used it as a pop-up die, that's for sure. And I have no idea why it's a hillside, because it looks like clouds to me. So I guess I'm going to have to cut it out and see. But this is a lawn fawn die, and I used it for the bottom of this card. And so I did it sort of like a bush, and I put little hearts here, like they're like little heart. It's like apple or roses or whatever, but I did hearts. And so again, I used that same paper pad, that Alice in Wonderland paper pad, and I colored my girl in more pastel colors. And so I have peeking out here the flamingo die, as well as this really, really cute stamp that comes in the kit. And so I believe the items in the kit, I think they end up after a certain amount of time becoming part of their regular release. So eventually, I think these items will eventually be available on La La Land's site. I don't know how long. I don't know if it's 3 months or 6 months that they're exclusive, and then they become part of their regular collection. But eventually you can get these pieces, and they're really cute. So there's that one. And then this one right here, I did a pink and black, which I really, really, really like how the pink and black look. And I took a tiny little heart stamp. I think it might be for one of my honeybee stamp sets. And I stamped here to make my own like sort of patterned clothing using the heart stamp. And then I used the card die, which if you wanted to, which I think would be crazy, but you can make a whole deck of your own cards if you wanted to, your own deck of playing cards, because it's really like a playing card size, and they give you all the pieces to make a playing card. So kind of fun. And then this one for the paper, I actually used a La La Land stencil that I have. It's a Harlequin stencil that I've had in my stash for a while. And so I just used my black Distress Oxide, I think it's Suit, is the name of it, by Tim Holtz. And then I just used that stencil to go ahead to make that background. And so I really like how that came out. And then this one is an odd size. I believe it's 5.5, maybe it's 6 by 5.5 or something like that. It's kind of an odd size, but I thought that I can make my own envelope for it, so it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to be able to put all these pieces on a card, and so it just required a bigger card. So I've got my my background piece here, which I'm using paper from that Alice in Wonderland collection. And then I just kind of mat out using one of my dies in my stash. I think it's a cat scrappiness die. And then I have a little playing card back here that I made using the little playing card stamp. And I colored her more in a traditional red and black. And I use that same little heart stamp to stamp black hearts on her stockings. And I did a little bit of stickling, and I used the chess pieces back here. And then this sentiment says, Queen for the day, fabulous forever, which I thought was really, really cute. So those are all the cards that I made using this collection. I really, really like it. Super, super cute. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.